Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. In this video we're going to talk about Ari Wallet. Okay, now Arichain blockchain testnet airdrop is live. Guys, if you want to make like six figures in 2025, pay attention to alpha airdrops. Okay, so sorry about that. In this video I'll be showing you how to set up your wallet, and then you start mining the testnet. Okay, so watch the video to the end. If today is your first time to watch this video, do also to like this video and share, and then subscribe so that you get more updates whenever I post any video. Don't forget to turn on the notification bell as well. So Arichain blockchain is a testnet airdrop that is going on live. First of all, what you need to do is to join and get 10 Ari. Once you join, you're going to get 10 Arichain, and then you're going to check in daily. You get 10 Arichain, and then you're going to answer a daily quiz, and then you get 10 Arichain. Then I'm going to show you the step-by-step guide. So if you have to join this airdrop, if you have joined, indicate it by joining my Telegram, so we can send. You send to me, I send to you, right? Okay, so you can make test on testnet interaction. Let's continue. I'm going to click and see that the mainnet is coming soon. Mainnet coming soon. So go ahead and click on. First of all, you will need to go to Play Store. Head over to your Play Store. If you don't have if you don't have it, get one in your Play Store. Go to Play Store, download, type this name you're seeing here, Ari Wallet. Once you type the Ari Wallet, then the next thing is to open the Ari Wallet, then click on testnet, then click on sign up, enter your email address. Then once you enter your email address, a verification email will be sent. Go and click on that link. Click on that verification link, right? Now once you click on that link, check inbox and copy verification code. Come back and confirm, and then click on next. Then save your private keys and click OK, right? So you are good to go. So let's head over to click on the testnet, and the mainnet is on the way. Okay, so this is it. I've already accumulated just 40 Ari token. Now you can send to me, I send to you. So that is why I said if you join it, don't forget to also join my Telegram group. Follow me on my Twitter so we can interact. I send for you, and then you send for me. Okay, so once you join, like I said, you'll be given 10 Ari for joining, and you'll be checking in daily. So watch the video to the end. Let me show you guys how to check in daily and all that stuff. So you see this where you have the menu bar on top here. See this menu bar, the three dotted lines. Okay, so click on that menu bar. Once you click on that menu bar, this is your address. Once you click on the menu bar, okay, once you click on the menu bar, this is your referral code. This is your referral code, right? Okay, so you copy this code and share to anyone you want to invite. Okay, so you now head over to, you can see today quiz. You click on today quiz. So that's why I said join my I've already participated in today quiz. So that's where you see quiz. That's where you get the quiz. Those things are hidden here. Okay, once you click, you scroll down, you're going to see today quiz, daily check-in. So these are the two things you're going to do once you have signed up for the once you have signed up for the project. All right, so let's head over to it now. This is now you have set up your wallet. Okay, you have finished setting up your wallet. So the next thing, I'll be dropping the answer to this question. I'll be dropping the quiz answer on my Telegram group. So try to join Telegram group also, so that you get the answers on a daily basis. And then once you're done, you click on check-in daily. You see, I've already checked in 2 days now. Okay, so I'm going to close it. So I've already checked in daily. Then you can come here. There is no token balance. My token balance here is 40. Let's check. Now you can send and receive. You can send and receive. Okay, now that's why you send for me, I send to you. You just click on send, then we interact with our testnet. You send me a testnet, I send you a testnet as well. Then you copy the wallet address of which the person you are sending to. Okay, person the wallet address, then put in the amounts, enter a memo, enter a password, and then click on send. And the person sent to you as well. Just interact with the so go and join, so that once you join my Telegram group, drop your own address. I'll drop mine, then I will send for you. Let's just interact with the testnet. Okay, so the project is a very huge project that you don't want to miss. Don't miss this project. Okay, don't miss this testnet. The steps here are just simple. Just with your internet connection, you are good to go. Okay, so Arichain blockchain, join and get 10 Arichain. Then the next thing is to check in daily. Check in daily, you're going to be given 10 as well, 10 Arichain. Then the quiz you answer, you'll be given 10 Arichain. So follow all the steps, the step-by-step guideline that I'm showing you in this video. Then you go to download and install Ari Wallet from Play Store, Android Play Store. You are using Android phone, there is iOS app for Apple or as well. Okay, then open Ari Wallet, click on testnet, click on sign up. Then an email address will be sent to you. Like this, my own here, I've already set up this wallet, so I'm just showing you what to do in yours. So once you open the Ari Wallet, click on testnet. Okay, click on testnet, not mainnet. If you click on the mainnet, tell you that mainnet is coming soon. Now you enter the email address, enter your email address, confirm. A code will be sent to your email. Go to your email, copy that code, come back and paste it. Right, copy the code and come back and paste it. And then you check your email inbox and copy verification code, enter your password and confirm. That is it. So I'll be dropping the link in the description box. And if you want to share your referral link, you can see here. If you want to share your referral link, you just click on the menu bar which I showed you. Menu bar is at the top right corner. This is the menu bar. Right, so click on the menu bar. This is your referral link. Copy this link. Yeah, you have copied it, and then you share. Okay, you share the link. You can check out their white paper. So this is where you carry out your daily check-in and the quiz under the menu bar. So that is it. Try and set up your wallet, and then join my Telegram group, join my Twitter, follow me on my Twitter, on my X handle, follow me on my Telegram. Drop your address there, I will send to you, and I will drop mine, you send to me. So interact every day, right? Just interact with the testnet. Okay, don't miss any airdrop in this 2025. Sit up very well for airdrop, because airdrop can really change lives. Don't know the airdrop that will pay you very well, guys. So sit up, position yourself for this one, right? Position very well. So the wallet, set up your wallet. Okay, check in daily, and then the quiz, perform the quiz, and then you get 10 for signing up, 10 for the quiz, and 10 for logging in. Okay, so do this on a daily basis, and then you will accumulate enough points. And then if you are good in referring, but it is optional, but it's good to boost your earning. So if you can refer, copy your referral link and share with your friends. Share your referral link. Okay, the more they join, the more you get, the more points you get. Right? Okay, the more they join, the more points you stand to get. So perform all those tasks, and then you are good to go. This is your balance. This is where your balance is. You can see, guys, it's better you join this airdrop than to say, I know. I've given you a notice. Now position yourself. Okay, position yourself as much as you can. Do the one you can. If you don't know how to refer, leave it. Do the ones you can. Interact with the contracts. Drop your own contract in the Telegram. I will send to you, and then you send to me. Once you're finished sending, notify me by saying send done, and I will send to you as well. Okay, sign up via the link. I'll be dropping the link in the description box, so click on the description box and then join the link. Go, it will redirect you. Go to Play Store, not a link. I'll drop in the code. So go to Play Store. I'll drop the Play Store link there. Go to Play Store and the iOS, download it, put in this code. You must put in the, if you don't put in the code, you're not going to get that bonus. So put in the code for you to get the bonus. Make sure you type in the code. Right, once you're done with the code, you're going to be given 10 for just joining. I'm going to be giving 10 points. So share this video and let this video go viral so that other people may also get to know about this project and position on time. So you are still early. If you are seeing this video now, you are still early to join it. Okay, so fast and join. I'll come back again with another interesting video. Don't forget, if you are new to my channel, like this video, share this video, okay, subscribe, and also turn on the notification bell so that I get notified whenever I post a new video like this. You'll be the first to see you guys in my next video.